Hey friends, if you encounter the Spotify error code 18 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now, this error will prevent you from reinstalling or even uninstalling Spotify. So, what can you do in this case? Listen to this carefully. Search for Spotify in the Windows search bar and click on the download pointing arrow associated with it. Select app settings, wait for it to load, scroll down, select terminate. After terminating it, go back. In background app permissions, select it to never. Okay, now if this option is checked here, which is runs at logon, turn this switch off. So now Spotify will not start upon startup, but still there could be a few temporary files associated with it. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of the boxes here, each and every one of them. Click on OK, delete files. Okay. Now you can, once the files are deleted, it needs a while. Then scroll down and click on uninstall. Okay. If you do not get the option to uninstall it, then you can repair and reset it. Okay. Now Spotify has become a part of Microsoft these days. So yes, you will face these issues. Okay. And obviously, if you wish to reinstall at any time, search for store in the Windows search bar. Go to the Microsoft Store. Search for Spotify. Go to the Spotify application and you can install it from here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.